Hello students, the next topic is separable equation. Now what are separable equation? An equation which can be separate in the form of left hand side is a function of y only, right hand side function of x only, like this. So a first order differential equation is separable if it can be written as h of y dash is equal to gx, where left hand side is a product of y dash and a function of y, and right hand side is a function of x. Expressing a separable differential equation in this form is called separation of variables. Okay. Now example of separation of variables, solve the equation y dash is equal to x in bracket 1 plus y square. Y dash means dy by dx. So we can write it as, so separating variables we can write it as y dash upon 1 plus y square is equal to x. Or here y dash is equal to dy upon dx and here is x. So we can put dy only here and we can shift dx here. Means we can write it as 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to x dx, because y dash is dy upon dx. And after integration it gives tan inverse y is equal to, its integration gives x square upon 2 plus c. Okay. From this we can write y is equal to tan of x square upon 2 plus c. So this is solution. Next example is, find implicit solutions of y dash is equal to 2x plus 1 upon 5y raised to 4 plus 1. Initial conditions are y of 2 is equal to 1. So first of all, this is given differential equation. We can write it as, let us shift this term to left hand side, 5y raised to 4 plus 1 y dash is equal to 2x plus 1. Now here y dash can be written as, y dash means dy upon dx. So we will keep dy here and shift dx here. And after integration what we get, y raised to 5 plus y is equal to x square plus x plus c. Okay. Next, the initial conditions are, when x naught is 2, y naught is 1. So let us put x is 2 and y 1 here. So what we get, x2 and y1. So y1 means left hand side will be 1 square plus 1 2, x is 2, 2 square 4 plus 2, that is 6 plus c. This implies c is equal to minus 4. So substituting c is equal to minus 4 will give us the solution of this initial value problem. Substituting c is equal to minus 4, we get this general solution of given initial value problem. Now next there is another topic, that is constant solutions of separable equation. Now suppose the equation is of the form y dash is equal to gx into py. Then we can separate these functions as 1 upon py, we can shift this py here, 1 upon py y dash is equal to gx. Left hand side is a product of y dash and function of y, and right hand side is a function of x. Now here what happens, if pi is equal to 0, in that case we get problem here. The division by py is not legitimate if p of y is equal to 0 for some value of y. Okay. So we will neglect that part where the value of py will be 0. For example, let us solve some examples. First example, find all solutions of y dash is equal to 2xy square. So in solution, what is given? Let y dash is equal to 2xy square. So let us separate the variable. We can write it as, let us divide by y square. Y dash upon y square is equal to 2x. That is, it is of the form 1 upon py into y dash is equal to 2x. What is p of y here? P of y is equal to y square. Where we get problem here, when p of y will be 0, because that will be 1 upon 0 infinity. So p of y should not be equal to 0. So we will take the condition that this y should not be equal to 0 identically. Okay. We observe that y is equal to 0 is one of the solution of given equation, but it creates difficulty in case of separable variables. Okay. So suppose y is a solution such that it is not identically 0 and it is continuous. So we will consider that this y is not identically 0 and then solve this equation. Okay. So this is what y dash upon y square is equal to 2x. That is, we can write it as 1 upon y square dy is equal to 2x dx. After integration we get minus 1 upon y is equal to x square plus c. From that we can get y, that is y is equal to minus 1 upon x square plus c. Okay, that is this y is equal to minus 1 upon x square plus c, which is a general solution of given equation. Here what we consider y is the solution of the given equation such that it is not identically 0. Next example, find all solutions of dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2x 1 minus y square. So we can write it as y dash, dy by dx means y dash. Okay, so let us separate the variables. Divide, we can take this 1 minus y square to left hand side, so dy upon 1 minus y square, or let it be as y dash upon 1 minus y square is equal to 1 half into x, that is 1 upon p of y into y dash is equal to 1 half into x. What is py here? Py is 1 minus y square. Okay, and when it will be 0, 1 minus y square will be 0 when y is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, so we observe y plus minus 1 is one of the solution of given equation, but it creates difficulty. Okay, so this solution is obtained by inspection. Now we consider that the py should not be equal to 0 identically, and then we solve this equation. We first consider that solution is not identically 0 and then solve it. So this equation we write it again here. Okay, now this equation can be written as, now this y dash means dy upon dx. We keep dy here and we shift dx to the right hand side, and 1 upon 1 minus y square can be written in this form, 1 upon y minus 1 minus y plus 1. Here this 2 can be adjusted here, because 2 upon 1 minus y square, minus 2 upon 1 minus y square can be written like this, and minus sign is adjusted here. You can simplify this and can check these both equations are same. After integration it gives log of y minus 1 minus log of y plus 1. Here minus x square by 2 plus k. So log of y minus 1 minus log of y plus 1 means log of y minus 1 upon y plus 1. Okay, therefore mod of y minus 1 upon y plus 1 will be is equal to, this side will be log, we are cancelling log here, means this side will be e raised to k into e raised to minus x square upon 2. Okay, left hand side as it is, let us consider e raised to k as c and this e raised to minus x square upon 2 as it is. Next what we can do, we can solve this equation for y and we get the value of y. Means what? Let us simplify it. So y minus 1 is equal to y plus 1 c e raised to minus x square upon 2. So let us simplify it and obtain the value of y. So y minus 1 is equal to y c e raised to minus x square upon 2 plus c e raised to minus x square upon 2. Let us take the terms of y together. Okay, let us shift this term here. Y minus y c e raised to minus x square upon 2 is equal to, let us shift this 1 here, 1 plus c e raised to minus x square upon 2. Take y common, here will be 1 minus c e raised to minus x square upon 2 is equal to this as it is. What this implies, y is equal to 1 plus c e raised to minus x square upon 2 upon 1 minus c e raised to minus x square upon 2. Okay, so this is the required solution. Okay, look here, y is equal to 1 plus c e raised to minus x square upon 2 upon 1 minus c e raised to minus x square upon 2. This is the required solution. Next example, find all solutions of the following non-linear equation. First equation, y dash is equal to this. This is non-linear differential equation. Why non-linear? Here is dy by dx, it is not of the form of linear equation. Now on separation of variables, now you can see here y minus 2 terms of y only. We can shift to the left hand side, so it will be y minus 2 dy into this term into dx, because y dash is dy upon dx. On integrating we get y square by 2 minus 2y is equal to, its integration gives x cube plus x square plus x plus c, which is the required general solution. Next example, sin x sin y plus cos y dash is equal to 0. On simplifying this, we can get this sin x dx plus cos y upon sin y dy is equal to 0. How we get it? What is given equation? Sin x into sin y plus cos y dash is equal to 0. We can write it as sin x sin y is equal to minus cos y dash means dy by dx. That is, we can write it as, let us shift this dx here, means this side will be terms of x only. Sin x sin x into dx is equal to, let us shift this sin y here, minus cos y into sin y dy. Means finally what we will get? Sin x dx, let us take this term again here, plus cos y upon sin y dy is equal to 0. Okay, that is this. Sin x dx plus cos y upon sin y dy is equal to 0. On integration, we get integration of sin x minus cos x plus its integration. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so its integration will be log of sin y is equal to c. That is required general solution. Next example is find all solutions of the following differential equation. So given equation is y dash is equal to x square 1 plus y square. X is between minus 1 to 1, y is between minus 1 to 1. First of all, let us separate the variables. We can write this equation as y dash upon 1 plus y square is equal to x square. That is, it is of the form 1 upon p of y dash is equal to x square, where p of y is 1 plus y square. Okay. Now, we will solve it. We will consider this 1 plus y square is not identically 0, and then we will solve it. So this is y dash upon 1 plus y square is equal to x square. That is, we can write it as dy upon 1 plus y square x square into dx, because y dash is dy upon dx. Its integration on both hand side gives tan inverse y is equal to x cube upon 3 plus c. What this implies? This implies y is equal to tan of x cube upon 3 plus c. This is required general solution. Okay. Next example is solve the following equation using variation of parameters followed by separation of variables, assuming p of x is not equal to 0. So this is given equation y dash plus y is equal to 2x e raised to minus x upon 1 plus y e raised to x. So this is given equation. Comparing this equation with y dash plus px y is equal to f of x, what we get? Px is 1, fx is this function. Both are continuous. So first of all, we will find out what we will find out y1. Okay, because using variation of parameters method of we have to use variation of parameters, method of variation of parameters, and again separation of variables also. So first, let us find out complementary function. From this, complementary function is y dash plus y is equal to 0. So let us find out its general solution. So y dash plus y is 0. Comparing it with y dash plus px y is equal to 0. What is px? Px will be 1. Therefore, its general solution will be y is equal to c e raised to minus integration of px dx. And what will be y1? Our y1 will be e raised to minus integration of px dx. Okay, y1 e raised to minus integration px dx, which is equal to e raised to minus, what is p here? P is 1, so integration of dx, so we get y1 as e raised to minus x. So we will consider y1 as e raised to minus x is a solution of complementary function. So next, by method of variation of parameter, what we do there? We consider y is equal to u into y1, that is u into what is y1? E raised to minus x. Next, what we do? We will find u and substitute the value of u here. So let us differentiate this equation. Derivative of y dash is equal to its derivative of u dash e raised to minus x as it is. Then u as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x. Then left hand side of given non-homogeneous equation is y dash plus y is equal to, now y dash is u dash e raised to minus x minus u e raised to minus x plus, what is y? Y is u into e raised to minus x. Okay, so substituting this value here, this will get cancelled. What remain? U dash e raised to minus x. Now, what is given differential equation? In given differential equation, y dash plus y is equal to what? It is y dash plus y is equal to 2x e raised to minus x upon 1 plus y e raised to x. Okay, so we will substitute this value, we will equate this value. So y dash plus y is equal to, here we calculated y dash plus y as equal to u dash e raised to minus x. So comparing both sides, e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x will get cancelled to both hand sides. U dash is equal to 2x upon 1 plus u. How you obtain? There is y into e raised to x. Here is y into e raised to x. What is y? Y is u into e raised to minus x. So y into e raised to x will be u. So here is u only. So we get u dash is equal to 2x upon 1 plus u, means du dash means du by dx. So this can be written as 1 plus u du is equal to 2x dx by separating variables. By integration it gives u plus u square upon 2 is equal to x square plus c. Okay. So substituting this value here, y is equal to u e raised to minus x, means what is u? From this u is equal to e raised to x into y. Okay, e raised to x into y u. So substituting u is equal to this value, what we get? Y e raised to x plus u square, means its square, y square e raised to 2x upon 2 is equal to x square plus c. Okay, this is the general solution of given equation. Okay, so let's stop here. Here our third chapter, that is ordinary differential equations, is completed. Thank you.